Thank you everyone for joining this channel. My name is Felix Bliss. Today I'm going to show you how you can export your picture for web. Okay, so not much I do. Let's start. So the first thing you do is go to file, then look for export and look for save for web. Okay, so we will choose this one, the legacy. Okay, save for web, this option here. So we are going to use the optimized version here. Then if you are saving any image for web, these are the basic settings you need to do. Because we are saving for web, you need to make sure that the picture size is too small. It shouldn't go beyond 2000 kilobytes. That is quite equivalent to 2 megabytes. You can go beyond that, because the bigger the size, it will take a longer time for the website to load, or the image to load on any web. Okay, so you need to make sure that the image size is very small. So from here, I'll go to file format and choose JPEG. Then, as I said, we need low quality but not too low. So I'll choose high, okay, which is quite around 60. Okay, then make sure you check embed color profile and then check progressive. If you check the progressive, what it means is that when you first open the website is going to show you the low quality form of the image. As the website keeps loading, the high quality image will show up. So after that, make sure you check the convert to sRGB. So we need the RGB format here. Maintain this one to monitor color. Then our dimension here, image size and everything, we'll maintain that. And the quality here, maintain it to 5 KB. So these are the basic simple things you need to know. Okay, so we are going to save this. Okay, and this will be the file size 182K, 182 kilobyte. Okay, because of the settings that we made, that's why we have this. Now let's change this one to maximum, and let's check something here. Let's check the size. Look at the size here. Look at the size. Okay, so that's why we need to make sure we choose the smallest but good quality, settings for any image we will export for the web. Okay, so from here I will save that. So let me save to my desktop. We call it web image. Then I'll save that. So that's the basic thing you need to do whenever you are saving any image for the web. But the bonus tip is that if the image size is too big, I mean the resolution. Now let's check this image resolution here. Now let's check the image size. You can see that the resolution here is 72, the width is 750, and then the height is 936, which is quite okay. Make sure you reduce it to this level, okay, so that you have low but high quality image. Thank you for staying with me. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll see you in my coming tutorials. Bye bye.